is up, everybody? It's Pete from Pete's Place, and today's an extra special video. Why, you ask? Because I was going to do a video for 600 subscribers, and then it quickly turned into 700, and is now almost at 800 subscribers. Guys, I cannot thank you enough for helping me support my channel and making it what it is today. I really appreciate all the comments, liking, subscribing, connecting with me, reaching out, asking me questions. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would be nothing. And I just have to say thank you all so very much for all of your help and support. So without further ado, this is going to be an extra special video because this is something that I wanted to find out for a very long time. So let's say that you break your phone screen or you crack it, and you've tried putting maybe nail polish on it, clear nail polish, maybe you've tried epoxy, maybe you've tried windshield repair. There's a ton of things out there, even putting, tape on your phone, which doesn't really do a whole lot, but it keeps your finger from getting cut, I guess. So what we're gonna do today is figure out if we can melt a phone screen back together where it's cracked at. If we slowly heat this up, will that seam combine back together? I've had experience with doing a lot of glass blowing and stuff like that, so I do have the equipment for it to keep myself safe and from things going wrong and catching fire. So I do not suggest that any of you do this at home. This is just something that I'm doing. I'm not exactly a professional, but this is at my own risk. I do not want you guys to replicate this at all whatsoever. This is just a test video to see if it works. I don't want you guys getting hurt. So we're gonna go ahead and try that out on some of these devices that are in front of us. And we're going to do it on a shattered iPhone 5C screen. We're going to try it on a BlackBerry, and then we are going to try it on a tablet that has some pretty good scratches on it. And then, finally, the day that you guys have been waiting for, we are going to completely kill this Apple Watch. Let's go!
Okay, so we're going to start out with the screen. You can see we've got some different scratches and stuff on here, so I'm just going to go ahead and add just a little bit more. Alright, so that's pretty heavily scratched. And I can't tell exactly if this is plastic or glass, but we're going to find out really quick. So we've got our heat resistant mat, and this just to make sure nothing else gets on here. And we've got our torch and our plasma lighter, and let's give it a shot. Now you can see right there, I think this is plastic. So still, let's go ahead and go around on it. Okay, so as you can see, this is actually plastic, so it's not going to work out the way that I thought, but still the same. That's what it looks like. Okay, so now we are going to be using the BlackBerry screen. So this one is all glass. Okay, so you can see that we do have some melting on the screen. We do have a back plate behind it, and I think that's what was reacting first. So you can see this other layer stuff in there, but the screen did melt. So let's jump onto the iPhone 5C screen and see how that does. Look at that. Let's try this little piece now. Alright, so this is melting. So that one turned out better than the other ones. That is definitely letting off a very, very strong odor. But that's because of the plastic and stuff in the back. But you can see that the whole glass did, in fact, melt. So, without further ado, we are going to move over to the Apple Watch, and I am going to make sure that I put on some type of safety glasses, something to cover my face, because this does have, I believe, a lithium battery in it, and I do not want to screw this beautiful face up. So, all right, let's try this one next. Okay, so now that I have my mask on and safety glasses, what we're gonna do is start this torch up, and I'm gonna lay it on the side like this, and then I'm going to get out of the way just in case, and we'll keep this thing recording, and let's see what happens to it. We've taken a taser to it before, and it still kept going, so I'm pretty sure it's not fire resistant. So we're gonna see what happens when you torch an Apple Watch. All right, here we go. Okay, that thing is definitely cooked. Oh, they completely melted off. That is just fire hot. Looks like even the casing started kind of warping on it. I don't know if that's, I think that's a ceramic coating on that. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, it looks like some type of coating on top of it. Yeah, that thing is just messed up. There's our battery. Which just like falls straight out. Crazy. Well, that is definitely a myth busted, guys. It's not even a myth, it's something weird I came up with because I wanted to, I guess. I don't know. But thank you guys so much. Seriously, almost 800 subscribers. I cannot thank you guys enough for all of your help and support. And there's going to be tons more videos coming up in 2021, and I've got a ton of different things that I'm going to be doing. And there's going to be some huge changes coming to Pete's Place, and it's all because of you guys, and I thank you so much for that. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next video.